What if I told you there's a planet out there, so close to its star that its surface is a scorching 439 degrees Celsius, yet it's made of ice, an ice planet that's literally on fire? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Like the universe just decided to break its own rules for fun. Well, get ready, because today we're diving into one of the most bizarre, mind-bending objects in the known cosmos, Gliese 436b. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be questioning everything you thought you knew about hot, cold, and what it even means to be a planet. Stay tuned, because the secret behind this cosmic paradox is weirder than you can imagine. First things first, let's get our bearings. Our solar system is pretty neat and tidy, right? Small rocky planets hang out close to the sun. Giant gas planets keep their distance. It makes sense, but the universe is full of weirdos. Gliese 436b is one of them. It's what astronomers call a hot Neptune, a gas giant about the size of our own Neptune. But it orbits its star, a red dwarf, at a ridiculously close distance. How close? Its year, the time it takes to go around its star once, is just 2.5 Earth days. Imagine celebrating your birthday every other day. Because it's so close, it gets blasted with intense heat, making its surface hotter than your oven on Thanksgiving. So, we have a hot, Neptune-sized planet. Simple enough. But here's where your brain starts to melt. When astronomers analyzed its density, they came to a stunning conclusion. This blistering hot world is likely made of a lot of water. Water, as in HO ice. So how in the cosmos can you have a planet of burning ice? This is where we need to throw out our Earth-based rulebook. On our planet, water has 3 states: solid, liquid, gas. It freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100. Simple, but that's only true under the specific atmospheric pressure we experience here on Earth's surface. Pressure changes everything. Imagine you're at the bottom of the ocean, miles deep. The weight of all that water above you is creating immense pressure. Now, imagine a planet 22 times more massive than Earth, like Gliese 436b. The gravity on this planet is absolutely crushing. The pull is so strong that it compresses the water molecules on the planet with unimaginable force. And here's the wild part. Under that kind of extreme pressure, water doesn't behave like it does in your kitchen. Let's break it down. Layer 1. The simple explanation. On the surface, the heat is so intense that water vaporizes, creating a thick, steamy atmosphere. But as you go deeper into the planet, the pressure ramps up exponentially. Layer 2. The complication. This is where we meet a new exotic form of water called hot ice, or more scientifically, Ice-VII and Ice-VI. Under this immense gravitational squeeze, the water molecules are forced so tightly together that they can't evaporate into gas, no matter how hot it gets. They are locked into a solid state even at hundreds of degrees Celsius. It's a solid, but it's not cold. It's a crystalline structure held together by pressure, not by a lack of heat. Here is a mind-blowing fact for you. Ice-VII is estimated to be denser and harder than steel. So you're standing on a planet of scorching hot, ultra-hard ice. But wait, it gets even weirder. Layer 3. The cutting-edge theory. Gliese 436b isn't just a ball of hot ice. It's a planet with a giant, fiery tail. Astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope noticed something incredible. The planet is shedding its atmosphere, leaving a colossal cloud of hydrogen gas trailing behind it, like a cosmic comet. This tail is huge, stretching millions of miles across space. Why is this happening? The intense radiation from its star is literally boiling away the planet's outer layers, a process called photoevaporation. The planet has likely lost a significant chunk of its mass over its lifetime and will continue to do so. So, not only is it an ice planet on fire, it's an ice planet that's actively evaporating into space. Wow! Fact number 2. If Gliese 436b were in our solar system, its hydrogen tail would be so big it would dwarf the Sun itself. It's a ghost planet, slowly disappearing before our very eyes. So what does a burning, evaporating ice world tell us about our place in the universe? For me, it's a powerful lesson in cosmic humility. We tend to think the rules we see around us are universal. Water freezes when it's cold, boils when it's hot. But Gliese 436b screams at us that the universe is far more creative and complex than our limited experience suggests. The laws of physics are the same everywhere, but the conditions they operate under can produce results that defy our everyday intuition. It shows us that if we want to find life elsewhere, we need to think outside the box. We need to be prepared for planets that don't look or act anything like Earth. This single, strange planet expands the very definition of what's possible. It reminds us that there are more things in heaven and Earth than are dreamt of in our philosophies. So, let's recap this wild journey. We started with a simple contradiction, a burning ice planet. We learned that the secret isn't magic, it's pressure. The immense gravity of Gliese 436b is so strong it can squeeze water into a solid, hot ice form, even at temperatures over 400 degrees Celsius. We then discovered its dramatic, fiery tail, a massive cloud of hydrogen being stripped away by its star, turning the planet into a giant space comet. Gliese 436b isn't just a weird oddity. It's a natural laboratory that challenges our understanding of how planets form, evolve, and what states of matter are even possible. It forces us to ask what other exotic forms of matter are hiding out there in the cosmos, just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for exploring this cosmic madhouse with us today on Sciences and Facts. We love digging into these paradoxes that make the universe so fascinating. Now, I want to hear from you. If you could visit any exoplanet, no matter how bizarre or dangerous, which one would it be and why? Let's geek out in the comments below. And if you enjoyed having your mind bent today, do us a favor and smash that like button and subscribe. Hitting the bell ensures you won't miss our next trip into the weird and wonderful unknown. Thanks for watching and stay curious.